3 new features to increase packaging capacity using RoRo StretchPack. Number 1. Integrated conveyor unit for safe transport at high speed. The integrated conveyor unit supports and transports the products into the stretch hood film during packaging. It improves the safe transport of small products and eliminates the risk of slippage between panels. Now a pusher is not needed anymore for small products. Instead, you can increase the speed and packaging capacity. Number 2. Active film stand to increase uptime with larger film rolls. Using an active film stand, it is now possible to expand the film roll diameter from 800 mm to 1000 mm. It increases the film length by about 50%, so you can have up to 13 km depending on film thickness. It reduces the number of film roll shifts while increasing your uptime and packaging capacity. Number 3. Moveable infeed support to include beams during packaging. The movable infeed support enables to include beams within the packaging. The tight stretch hood film will fix and hold the beams in place under your products. It is all done during the packaging process and requires no further strapping. Contact Tentoma to learn how you can benefit from the new feature. Or visit Tentoma at www.tentoma.com.